the power button to switch on the scooter. Double shot click the power button to turn on the light, the front light and the rear light, and double click the light again to switch off the light, and long press the plus button to change the drive model, single drive or dual drive. Let's try that. Now here is the dual drive, but this one is useless on this scooter because this is the single drive model. This is the turn left signal. Double click, a single click, and click it again to stop, and turn right. And here is the horn. Now find your menu, turn to page 6. You will see how to set the menu. Long press the plus button and minus button together to enter the setting menu. P02 is one of the display units. We try to press the plus button and change it to 1, and long press the plus button to save the data, and exit. Long press and minus button together to exit. And let's see, the speed unit is mile per hour, and we do it again. We set the P02 to 000. And long press the plus button to save the data. Long press the plus and minus button to exit. Now here is the kilometer per hour. Let's see the next one. Long press plus button and minus button together to enter the setting menu again. And short click the power button to change to P03. This is about the voltage of the scooter. This is the G2. We can change it to something else like 52 and 60, and there's no more, right? What if you set the wrong data like this one? We save it and long press the plus button to save it and exit. What will happen? Wait a minute. You see the battery bar almost empty, right? This is incorrect. So we have to go to the menu, set the P03 to 48 volt, long press the plus button to save the data, and exit. See, the battery is full. And see, let's see the next one, P04. Short click the power button. There is no P04 but P06. This is about the wheel diameter. This is the 10 inches. It's correct, no need to change. What if you change the like this one? We try to press the throttle. Now the maximum speed is 25 km per hour, right? And you long press the plus and minus button to enter the setting, and you change this data 16. What if we change it to 11? Okay, right. 11.5 inches, and save the data, and then exit. Now let's see what's the maximum speed. It's 28 km per hour. This is not true, so we have to change it back. Change it to click the minus button to change it to 10 inches. Alright, now we long press the plus button to save the data, and click the power button to change the next one. P07. P07 is about the number of magnetic steel. This is useless, no need to change. Okay, it's 30. Now we change the next one. Say the P08. This is about the maximum speed. The maximum speed is 100. This is a percentage of this maximum speed, so it's not true. It's not real 100 kilometers per hour. But if you change it to something else, like this one, we we said this the maximum speed is 25 km/h, right? What if we change the P08 to 19. Now press the plus button to save the data. Right, 20. Save it, and now press the plus button to save the data, and exit. And let's see what's the next mistake. It's also 25 km/h. So actually this one is useless. Let's just ignore it. Let's see the next one. Okay, this is a 20. This one is useless. We keep it at 100. Now click the power button to switch to P09. This one is interest. And here is a 00, right? And we exit. This is about the startup state. Like here, we can see there's the normal state. This data is normal, and we press the throttle, and the wheel is rolling, right? But if we change it to something else, we long press the plus and minus button to, and the menu set the P09 to like 1, and long press the plus button to save the data. You'll see what happens. Okay, long press the plus and minus button to exit. Like the state is economic. This is how to save the battery, saving power, alright? And at this state, when you try to use the throttle, you see the wheel is not rolling. So at this state, you have to press the throttle at the same time and push your scooter forward a little bit. Like I use the hand to roll the wheel. It stopped, right? So when the wheel is rolling, you can use the throttle anytime. But when the wheel is stopped, you use the throttle. You will not go anywhere. So at this state, you have to push forward a little bit. This is the we call it the zero start mode. All right. So we go to the menu again, and we change the set the P09 to 00, and now press the plus button to save the data, and exit. Now the state is normal. We use the throttle anytime. Okay, let's see the next one. Click the power button to go to the P10, alright? Now here is the 1, and what if we change it to 0, and save the data, and exit. Now, at this step, you see there's a gear 1. We try to use the throttle. The gear 1, the speed is 15 km/h, and but if I press the plus button, you change the gear 2. The gear 2 maximum speed is 27 km/h. Now we do it again. Press the plus button again. Gear 3, 38 km/h. Let's see the gears. Now the maximum speed is 38 km/h, and the maximum gear is 3rd. Alright, this is the maximum speed of the G2. And alright, we go to the menu again, long press the plus button and minus button together to go to the P11. P11 is about the start torque. This is useless. We just ignore it. 12 is about the power sensitive. Useless. Just leave it. 15 is about the motor drive's signal. Is 100. We just keep it at 1 by 100. no need to change. All right, and let's see, the next one is P16. This is about the cruise control, like this one. For example, this is the 0, right? And we exit and use the throttle. And when you leave your hand, and they will stop. What if we set the P16 to 1? Set it to 1, and long press the pause button to save the data, and then exit. Now, what happens? We press the throttle and keep it for about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see? I just let it go, and here is the icon. That means this is the cruise control. I don't need to press the throttle all the time. Just leave your hand. And if you want to stop it, then use the brake, left and or right, and you will be stopped. All right, what's the next one? And press the button, minus button. You go to the P99. You can press the plus button or minus button to make it flash, right? Make it flash, and long press the plus button about 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. You see, everything is changed. All the data is become to the factory initial setting. So this is a default setting, okay? And let's see what's going on with others. Like press this one, 48, 10 inch, and 30. P10 is 100, P9 is 0, P10 is 1. Okay, this is the P10 is about the limit speed, right? And P12, this is useless, and P16, this is 0 again. Alright, this is how to set the menu.